Hello. In today's class, we are going to determine the percentage of moisture in granules. So for that, what we have to do is quite simple. We have to take the granules and dry them completely. Throughout, there will be weight monitoring, and the formula is initial weight minus final weight divided by initial weight multiplied by 100. This will give you the percentage. The basic thing is that we have to dry it till there is no moisture left. So this is the machine. It's called moisture balance. As the name indicates, there will be a balance to monitor the weight, and since we have to dry it, there will be a heating element. The heating element is an IR lamp of 250 wattage. The pan. Here we'll put the samples spread over this container. Let's close it. There are a number of controls. Actually, there are 3 controls and 2 switches. So by rotating these knobs, you can increase or decrease the level. This is a switch, the switch of the IR lamp. So once that is on, the temperature will go on increasing. And as the temperature goes above 110, we have to bring it down. And the control is this one. You have to rotate it right or left. And you can see from the intensity of the light how the temperature will change. Now we are at the most crucial part of the experiment. We have to calibrate the machine. Look at this window. There is a red mark, a diametric red mark on it. When you look through this window, we'll see another thing, that's a scale. So let's switch on the light of the scale. On the right of me, there is a control knob. By rotating this control, you can change the location of the scale. So let's align the 100% mark of the scale with the red diametric red mark. I think it's now on the 100, but if you have doubt whether it's exactly aligned or not, there is a help tool. Next to the 100% mark, there is a red line also. So the red line inside and the red mark on the window should be on the same parallel plane. So 2 pointers aligned. Now we have to work on the third. The control switch on my left is attached to the balance. By rotating the control, we have to bring that red mark between the 2, that is now all 3. The red mark of the balance pointer, the red mark of the window, and the red mark of the scale, all 3 are at the same level. Our calibration is done. Now we come to the zero adjustment. By rotating the knob, bring the 0% mark of the scale aligned with the red mark. You see, the pointer of the scale is not now in the middle, but leave it as it is. The next step is loading the sample. As you load sample, the pan becomes heavy and the pointer goes down. When evaporation will happen, the weight will become less and the pointer will move upwards. Our objective at this moment is to bring the pointer at the 0 level by loading sample. The sample is getting loaded. We have distributed the weight throughout the pan because that will be efficient drying. As weight increases, the pointer comes down and now finally it is aligned with the 0 mark. Now we'll start with the actual drying. Switch on the IR lamp. The temperature increases gradually. We won't allow the temperature to go too high. We'll try to keep it within 110. If it goes beyond that level, there is a control. We can move this control to manipulate the temperature. We have to allow some time for the drying. As the sample dries, the weight decreases and the pointer, which is attached to the balance, the middle pointer, starts going up. Now the most crucial phase, taking the reading. The pointer has gone up, but we won't touch the control of the pointer. We will use the control of the scale. As the control is rotated, the scale moves. At a certain point, you will notice the pointer of the balance is also visible. By rotating that control, we have to bring the pointer of the balance aligned with the red mark. Now read the scale at this point. It is the percentage moisture loss. The reading we have taken is the moisture loss at a particular point, but the sample may have more moisture. To make sure that all the moisture has been lost, we have to continue heating for some more time. But now the pointer is not moving at all, and every time I check the reading, I get the same scale reading. So we know this is the total quantity of the moisture that was there in the sample, and this is the total moisture value the sample originally contained. Thank you.